You had somebody go low and then you went over the top of them, which went up to their neck, that's all, as they came down. I know it wasn't on purpose, but it was just high.
On there, sorry, yeah. Still fine.
Yeah. We'll go and find one then.
Charlie! Atkins! Edgen! Settle! Down! Ready, no!
Knock on.
My bad. We're not back now, lads, yeah? My bad.
Oh, yeah. Good up. Go on, Castle!
Where's the prof, Jacob?
Be mindful of the early lift and that line out, gentlemen.
Swap these offsides, please. Second 10!
Yeah, I see what I see, Tom. You know that.
Every single man. Big shoot. Lower, second roll. Come on, Jacob.
Crouch! Bind!
Hold!
Set!
Hold! Will, lift! Good, boys, go!
Yeah, push him.
Ollie, come on! Stop!
I went backwards.
Deeper, boys.
He's away, he's okay. Just a knock on.
Big scrum for 20 points. Come on, big scrum.
Come on, 10 runs a game. Come on, Ed. Twos.
Second two.
Nice, that's good.
Crouch! Bind!